My name is Sanjay Sonar and I have been living in Goa for last 4 years with my parents, my wife and my 2 kids. I work here in Goa for a Canadian company as a subject matter expert in traceability. It has been more than 10 years since I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering, and since then I have been working in the industry for various roles and levels. Last 2 years back I realized that to stay more relevant and to learn more, I need to enroll to a program that could enhance my theoretical as well as practical knowledge about my profile, that is manufacturing management. After doing some research in the internet, I came across this program from BITS Pilani, which was MTech in Manufacturing Management. After going through the details of this program, I was highly impressed. And when I talked to few of my colleagues who have already done this program, they gave me a very positive feedback about it. So basically you don't have to take any break from your career. It's in fact very easy to balance your work, your personal life as well as your academics. Most of the classes and lectures which are done under this program happen in weekend. For most of the courses there are recorded lectures available in the portals. We can in fact go into the portal and do some kind of a self-learning before we enter the live lectures in the weekend. All the lecturers and professors has a very good understanding of the subject that they taught. The amount of knowledge and practical experience they possess in the field was quite impressive. It was quite a learning experience to learn a subject like manufacturing strategy from the industrial expert like Professor Rajiv Gupta. BITS Work Integrated Learning Program uses the latest technology and online tools to ensure that the students get the same amount of experience in an off-campus learning environment. Tools like virtual laboratories are made in a way that we can book our slots in our convenience and we can actually go and perform our experiments whenever we have our free time. So another interesting part about this program is remote laboratories, where students can actually go online and access these laboratories remotely from the comfort of their home and perform experiments to have more hands-on experience on that subject. In the final semester of the course, we are supposed to pick up a dissertation topic to solve a real-life problem for our company. I picked up a topic called Intelligent Supply Chain for Food and Drug Industry. This topic will ultimately help my organization to understand the situation of supply chain in food and drug so that we could design a solution that can help the food and drug industry to optimize their supply chain by making use of latest technologies. The overall experience of BITS Work Integrated Learning Program was superb. Not only it is helping me to progress steadily in my career, but it is also helping me to learn new concepts and apply those in real life and stay relevant in the industry. I would definitely recommend this program to my colleagues who wish to pursue higher education without taking a break in their career.